Why doesn't AMSOIL have the same OEM approvals as Mobil 1, Castrol, or Pennzoil? If it's such a premium oil, why isn't it certified by every major car manufacturer? I've had customers ask me this dozens of times, and the internet is full of conspiracy theories. Some people think manufacturers are blocking AMSOIL to protect their own oil sales. Others think AMSOIL can't actually pass the tests. After over 10 years in this industry and digging into how OEM approval actually works, I'm going to show you the real reason. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking that over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving hundreds or even thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs you nothing but helps me keep bringing you content that dealers don't want you to see. Let's start with what OEM approval means. When you see Dexos approved or meets for WSSM2C946A on a bottle, that means the oil has been submitted to the manufacturer. It's a formal business relationship between the oil company and the automaker. Getting OEM approval costs serious money. We're talking about fees that can run into the hundreds of thousands of dollars per certification. You have to pay for the testing. You have to pay for the licensing rights to use the manufacturer's certification mark, and annual renewal fees to keep it active. For a company like ExxonMobil or Shell, those costs are spread across millions of gallons sold globally. For AMSOIL, the math works differently. Let's use GM's Dexos certification as an example. To get Dexos approved, an oil company has to submit their product to GM's approved labs. The oil goes through tests like oxidation resistance, wear protection, and fuel economy. Those tests aren't cheap $50,000 to $100,000 just for testing. Does AMSOIL need Dexos approval to be used safely in a GM vehicle? No. The Dexos specification is public. Any manufacturer can formulate an oil that meets or exceeds those standards without paying for official certification. AMSOIL does exactly that. Their signature series oils meet Dexos 1 Gen 3 specifications. They publish the data showing they pass, but they don't pay GM for the logo. AMSOIL sells directly to consumers and through independent dealers. They don't sell to GM dealerships or huge quick lube chains. Their customers look at performance data and reputation. For AMSOIL, spending hundreds of thousands for a logo doesn't make financial sense. Let's talk about Ford. They have specifications like WSSM2C946A. AMSOIL formulates oils that meet these, but avoids the licensing fees. Now, does this create any risk? If you're under warranty, can a dealer deny a claim because you used non-certified oil? Technically, under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, a manufacturer can't void your warranty just because you used a different brand. But if you're in a dispute, the dealership might push back. You'd have to prove it meets the spec. Let's look at a real-world example. A customer with a 2018 Chevy Silverado had a lifter failure. The dealership saw he used AMSOIL and said it wasn't Dexos approved. The customer pulled out AMSOIL's data sheet showing it meets performance requirements. The dealership eventually covered the repair. That's the trade-off. You get a premium product, but you don't get the simplicity of pointing to an OEM label if something goes wrong. European approvals like VW504 or BMW LL01 are even more expensive, requiring tests at specific labs in Germany. AMSOIL has some European approvals, but they don't chase everyone. It always comes down to cost versus benefit. Does that mean AMSOIL can't be used in a European car? No, it means you have to do your homework. If your BMW requires LL01 certified oil and AMSOIL doesn't have that certification for the product you're considering, you either use a different AMSOIL product that does have the approval or you use a different brand. It's that simple. Here's what I tell people. OEM approval is about two things: legal liability and marketing access. From a legal standpoint, car manufacturers want to control what goes into engines under warranty so they can minimize claims. From a marketing standpoint, oil companies want those certifications so they can sell to dealerships and big box retailers. AMSOIL operates outside that system. They meet the technical requirements, but they don't play the certification game because their business model doesn't require it. Now, I want to address the conspiracy theories. Some people think car manufacturers are deliberately blocking AMSOIL because they want to sell their own branded oil. That's not how it works. The approval process is open to any oil manufacturer willing to pay the fees and pass the tests. AMSOIL could get Dexos approval tomorrow if they wanted to write the checks. they've chosen not to for business reasons. On the flip side, some people think AMSOIL doesn't get approvals because their oil can't actually pass the tests. That's also not true. AMSOIL publishes third-party test data showing their oils meet or exceed the performance benchmarks required by most OEM specs. The chemistry is there, the performance is there. The certification logo just isn't because they didn't pay for it. So here's my take after 2 decades of working on engines. OEM approval matters most if you're under warranty and you want zero risk of a dispute. If that's your priority, use an oil that carries the specific certification your manufacturer requires. But if you're out of warranty or if you're confident in your ability to document that your oil meets the spec, AMSOIL is a perfectly valid choice. The oil itself performs. The lack of certification logos doesn't mean the oil is inferior. It means AMSOIL made a business decision not to spend money on certifications that their target customers don't require. Here's the bottom line. AMSOIL doesn't get OEM approval everywhere because approvals are expensive, time-consuming, and not necessary for their business model. Whether that matters to you depends on your situation. If you're under warranty and you want the path of least resistance, stick with OEM-approved oils. If you're willing to do a little homework and you want AMSOIL's formulation, you can use it confidently as long as it meets your vehicle's specifications. What's your situation? Are you running a car under warranty or are you past that point? Drop a comment with your vehicle. And if this explanation finally cleared up the confusion around certifications, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that button now. Drop a comment. I respond to every single one. Thanks for watching.